Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget orbital polishers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is BLACK+DECKER polisher. This is quite a popular mainstream brand of power tools that makes gas-powered as well as electric power tools, including this orbital polisher model mentioned here. This orbital polisher is one of the cheapest options available out there that makes it a great option for users who are on a budget. Despite the low price tag, you get a lot of handy features with this budget orbital polisher that results in a high value for money. You get a 0.5A electric motor in this polisher that powers a 6 polishing pad. Even though it uses a low power motor, you can go up to 4,400 RPM rotation speed, which is quite decent for the given price. Comfortable and easy to use, this random orbit car polisher and waxer helps you buff, polish, and wax with ease. Random orbit action offers a swirl-free finish. Includes foam applicator bonnet and wool polishing bonnet. Number 2. Our second best pick is Avid Power Buffer Polisher. The Avid Power brand has a wide variety of collections of power tools. The Avid Power Orbital Polisher comes with a 6 polishing pad that works perfectly for both beginners and professionals. With a robust motor, this efficient polisher is ideal for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, rectifying defects in paint jobs on vehicles, and bringing back the lost shine. It features a 6-speed control dial that allows you to regulate the polisher's speed as per your requirement. You'll have low, medium, and high speed settings where low is used for waxing and buffing, the medium is used for polishing and cleaning, and high speed is used for oxidation and removing paint defects. And the no-load speed of this polisher starts at 1500 RPM and can be increased up to 6800 RPM. The body of this polisher is completely made of rubber and it comes with an adjustable handle which adds to its ergonomic design and great comfortable grip. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEWALT Buffer/Polisher. You can find a wide range of power tool options from DEWALT that includes a wide range of electric models, just like its orbital polisher. This orbital polisher is the third product in this article and it offers the largest pad size in comparison to the other options mentioned here. Its 9 pad size ensures that you get a large contact surface area while polishing a given surface. This polisher uses a highly powerful 12A electric motor for powering this pad that results in a pretty high 3,500 RPM rotation speed. This polisher with soft start has a powerful 12-amp motor with ball bearing construction and electronic control to deliver desired finish results. Variable speed trigger allows the user to control speed from 0 to dial maximum setting. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PorterCable polisher. PorterCable is one of the most popular power tool brands out there that makes electric tools just like its orbital polisher. This orbital polisher is one of the best performing options out there as it offers a really high rotation speed. Even though it uses a 4.5A electric motor, you can go up to 6800 RPM using its variable speed trigger, which is much higher than most other options out there. It supports a 6 polishing pad. The motor in this polisher is very efficient with a low power consumption. Thankfully, the build quality of this orbital polisher is quite decent as it offers sturdy construction with an ergonomic grip handle on the side. Ideal for polishing and sanding automotive and marine projects, this 6-inch variable speed random orbit polisher features a 4.5-amp motor for high overload protection and random orbit. Compact and lightweight at just 5.5 pounds. It delivers professional, swirl-free sanding/polishing action with an electronic variable speed dial to select 2,500-6,800 OPM. Accepts 5/16 to 24 spindle thread accessories. Full ball and roller bearing construction provides durability under industrial workloads. car polisher features a proprietary counterbalance for use with a 6-inch sanding/polishing pad and 2-position, left or right, removable side handle for greater comfort and control. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Milwaukee Orbital Polisher. Milwaukee is known for making a wide range of electric and battery-powered electric tools that are generally highly durable and reliable, which is also true for its polisher. This orbital polisher is the only cordless option in this list that is durable and also reliable. It offers an excellent build quality that is one of the best out there. You get an 18V battery system for the power requirements of this orbital polisher. This battery system is responsible for powering the 7-pad of this polisher. Unfortunately, the rotation speed is quite low at 2,200 RPM, as it is a battery-powered model. This is a tool-only listing and you do not get a battery or charger in the kit. This polisher is equipped with a rubber over-mold front housing to protect the paint from scratches in use, as well as a removable dust cover to protect the motor and electronics from wool fibers and residue. The new tool is designed to distribute more of its weight over the pad, providing natural pressure on the surface area and more. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.